auctioneer. He sold houses, cattle, and to people far and near. A bachelor for 50 years, the problem seemed eternal. He even tried the Lonely Hearts Club in the Farmer's Journal. Every Saturday in life he ran the cattle market. And if you drove your car to town, there was no room to park it. Jeeps and tractors everywhere, the sound of cattle filled the air. Then you'd hear the auctioneer echo round the square. He'll give me 300 quid. Who's gonna be the first to bid? Who's gonna buy this fine and best that's in the ring today? Do I give 325, 30, 40, 55 on the market and for sale? Yours can serve today. Widow Murphy down the road had 80 lovely acres. On her own for 30 years, but never any takers. Says she, ain't gonna sell the land if you throw me in as well. Says he, I'll buy the lot myself, we'll have a private sale. I'll give you 3,000 quid if I'm the only one to bid. I'll buy your land, I'll take your hand if you'll agree the deal. Right, says she, then I'll agree if I can take you home with me on the market and for sale. Yours can serve today.
Farmer Pro J, is it?
I think that's correct. I've just met a young lad here. You'll see him in a minute or two. And it's I.G.Faulkner. That's Forage Harvest team today. That's Massey 7618.